Local time. The time according to the longitude of a place or according to the position of sun at that place is known as the local time. So dear students, we know already some places are different for local time. So why it differences? Because according to the longitude and position of the sun, so it divides the local time. See here, uh, when the sun is shining vertically over the longitude, it is 12 noon at that place. Okay, then all places situated on the same meridian have the same local time. Every longitude has its own local time. See, every longitude have has its own local time. So that's why local time it's equal. Okay, then we compare to standard time, as the local time varies from place to place. See, in local time is compared to various places is some differences. It would create considerable confusion if each place were the following its own local time. So compared to other time, it's quite different. We will get some confusion on time. So that time we are following some rules. See here, I am going to give one example. In India, 82 and half degree east longitude is considered as the standard meridian of the country. It passes through Allahabad of Uttar Pradesh. The time based on this meridian is called the Indian Standard Time. So how can we decide standard time in India? So here 82 and half degree east longitude. Okay, east longitude is considered as the standard meridian of the country, in our country. So when it passes through Allahabad, so this 82 and half east longitude this line is passes on the Allahabad city. This Allahabad city is located in Uttar Pradesh. See, so this time based on this meridian is the Indian Standard Time. So it's called IST also. Okay. Next, time zones. In certain countries of the world where the longitudinal extent is so large that there is often a difference of 3 to 4 hours between one part and the other, the land surface is divided into time zones. See here, dear students, we know already some places are quite different to compared to other place, because some places are 3 hours what and 4 hours differences between one place to other place. Why? What happened? Because we are divided into time zones. For example, large countries like Russia, USA, Canada and Australia have vast longitudinal extent, because these areas are what largest countries: Russia, USA, Canada and Australia. So that time we are facing some time zone problems. That time we are divided some time zones. So for example, here uh, in Russia we are divided as 11 time zones. What? 11 time zones. And USA and Canada have 5 time zones, and Australia have 3 time zones. These are the time zones of world. Okay, next, international date time. Next concept is international date time. Here, dear students, this international date line, the problem of time is countries of the world was solved first by the standard time and then by the zonal time. We have solved, but the circumnavigation of the world brought a new problem in keeping the correct date and day in the week for the travelers. So therefore, a line passing through 180-degree meridian diametrically opposite to the GMT was adopted as the point where circumnavigators should make adjustment. So when they crossed this 180-degree meridian, that time they have to follow some adjustment of time. So here I am going to give one example here. See dear students, this is the time zone and international date line. It is helpful to understand the international date and line, what are the differences are there. Okay, see here, this is Asia continent, then this is North America. Okay, you think, then here, so any ship here, any ship crossing this line, see here, crossing this line, any ship from west to east, from Asia to North America, to take a day twice. Okay, it will take a day twice. Then again, while the ship crossing this line, again this crossing this line, east to west, that means North America to Asia, that time here it drops one day. Okay, understood? So when it cross the Asia to North America, that time it takes a day twice. Then when is the ship crossing this line, see here this line, that time North America to Asia, that time here it drops one day. Okay, so this is about the international date line. So dear student, I hope all are understood very well about the time zone and international time line. So if you have any clarification, you can ask in live session. Thank you.